Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Friend Crystal. So she has her YouTube channel as well, so it's gonna be on the link provided below. Just follow her on that. And today we have prepared a Japanese cuisine fura. Okay, so you're gonna watch us eat, and also at the same time we are going to have me and Crystal answer with the questions that I have prepared here. Oh, okay, so let's start. First, I need to drink water.
Thank you po sa mga manonood ng vlog ko, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Okay, let's eat first. Wala pa yung kain. Hindi pa po kami kumain. Kanina pa po. So we have homemade sushi po to, guys. And we don't have soy sauce. That's for tempura, but sure. Oh, that's for tempura. So we have here California sushi. We have egg, carrots, and cucumber. So I'm gonna show you what it looks like. Yum. So, first question. Jonas, would you rather lose the ability to read or lose the ability to speak, and why? Then we have your tempura.
Yeah, I would rather lose the ability to speak, because I like reading, although I like talking too, but I can write it down instead of speaking. Di mo pwedeng ganyan yung answer ko I mean the reason. So yeah, so I can still be able to communicate kahit through writing, kahit hindi ako nakakapagsalita, rather than nakakapagsalita nga ako pero hindi ko na nababasa yung mga kailangan ko gusto kong basahin or ganon. Basta, ability to speak. Okay, how about you?
I'd rather lose the ability to speak than reading. Kasi, as for example, yung mga deaf person, they can even, they can communicate without words. They have the ability to communicate words by using, I forgot what that one is.
Braille.
Yeah, that one. And reading is important because you need to have like a deep, you have to have comprehension in order to understand it. Like you can just speak, but you won't be able, you can just speak, but there's also, pwedeng hindi mo rin, you cannot add comprehension on it if you're just gonna speak. So would you rather be covered in fur or scales? I don't like snakes. I don't like any scaly things. So, I would rather choose fur.
Me too. I'd choose fur. It will give me warmth. So,
just a jacket. Would you rather be in jail for a year or lose a year of your life? I'd rather be jailed, then I can be free after that.
So, be jail.
Yeah.
Ako, I'd rather, I guess, para maiba, lose a year of my life. I've lived enough.
I can't die yet.
Action. Would you rather be always 10 minutes late or always 20 minutes early?
I prefer be 20 minutes early before, especially on my shift, rather than being late.
I'm always late, so I'd say, yeah, be 20 minutes early na lang. But at the same time, I don't like waiting, so I'd say, parang maybe 5 minutes, I would always be 5 minutes late. Would you rather be able to speak all languages or be able to talk to animals?
Well, be given the ability to speak to animals, I would grab it. Kasi if you can speak with animals, you would be able to understand kung ano ba talagang feeling nila sa mga ginagawa ng human, especially the destruction of their habitat.
Have the ability to speak all languages. Kasi I really like learning different languages. And no offense, but I'm not very good at taking care of animals. kahit hindi ako mahilig magkaroon ng, like, mag-pet. Hindi ako masyadong caring. Hindi pa ako gutom na gutom, kahit hindi pa ako kumain kanina. Mabilis lang pa talaga akong kumain. I would only chew it for a bit and then that's it. Rather be with, I think this is no-brainer, but oh well. Would you rather have 10 years with a person who has a bad personality or 6 years with a person who has an amazing personality? I would rather have 6 amazing years, although it's short, but it's gonna be amazing. Let's move on na lang after 6 years. Rather give up all drinks except water or give up anything that can be cooked in the oven.
I would rather give up any drinks except from water, because for me, I can survive with water only. And especially those kinds of drinks that you're gonna drink, especially mga carbonated drinks, it's not really good for your health.
Because I like to bake and she does too. And sometimes pagka ako lang nagluluto sa bahay, ang ginagawa ko, I just mix veggies and put it in the oven. So rather than frying it or something like that. Rather see 10 minutes into your future or see 10 minutes of someone else's future. With the plating po lang. Ito mong sumagot, girl. I would rather see 10 minutes of someone else's future. Kasi I'm scared to know my future. Actually, let me take it.
Actually, because
Let
it's
me take it
surprising.
back. Let me take it back. Actually, mas gusto kong makita yung future ko kaysa yung mas makikita ko yung future ko in 10 minutes para if it's a bad decision, I could alter it.
If there's a case that someone is dying or something like that, I would rather see.
No buts, no depends. They have unlimited international first class ticket or never have to pay for food in the restaurant ever again.
Then I would choose traveling.
Same here. Would you rather be able to use a fork or a spoon?
For eating,
Mhm.
I'd rather use spoon. Sorry.
For you?
Spoon na lang ako.
I prefer fork. Kasi mahilig ako sa noodles. Kahit anong noodles.
I prefer rice.
What it means is like, would you rather be reliving your past or relive your future? Never go back to the past. But my personality is I like to go back to the past. So, I guess, relive na lang yung future. Yeah. Well, past is past. So, I'll go with the future na lang. What?
It won't make
She's been
sense.
sleeping. Okay, fine. Lose your ability to lie or believe everything that you are told. Rather lose my ability to lie because ayokong sinasabihan ako kung ano ang dapat or ayokong lagi nakikinig. Parang kung may sasabihin ka sa akin, I would, if it matches what I think my answer would be, then I would believe you. But if it doesn't, I'd find someone else to ask so that parehas sila or parehas kami nung taong yun nagsagot.
I would rather choose lose the ability to lie, because for me, lying, it's not fair. I'd rather tell the truth and hurt someone than tell a lie and make them happy. So I would rather choose the ability to lie, because it's better to have a good conscience than to lie to somebody else just to make them happy. Feel na feel ko po yun. Feel na feel.
Isa lang yung question na tinanong ko. Ang dami mo na sinahon. Would you rather reverse one decision you make every day or be able to stop time for 10 seconds every day? So, reverse a decision or pause 10 seconds of your life.
So I would rather choose the first one. So in case I made a mistake, I can still amend to correct it. Okay?
Para ba iba? Ipapas ko na lang.
Sinisip ko na ako.
So, bago ko, ito, kunwari, I made the decision already. And it's, say, nag-away kayo ng partner mo or kahit sa'yo. Pause for a second. And 10 seconds para mag-cool down. And then, talk. Or since I chose that I would rather lose 1 year of my life rather than being in jail, so I would just cherish every single moment. Kasi, whatever decision you can, or whatever decision you make, like a specific consequence. Diba? And whichever you're gonna choose, it's already pre-made or designed. Alam na niya, ni God, kung saan ka patungo. Kung i-choose mo to, doon ka patungo. Kung i-choose mo yan, doon ka patungo. So, yeah. Hey! Last question! Would you rather have no one show up at your wedding or have no one show up in your funeral?
Because I don't really like to die, but I know everyone will end up dying. So I would rather choose no one will show up during my funeral. I don't like to make people cry. I just want to make them happy, so I don't want to let them know if I'm gonna die or something. So that's my answer. Just don't attend my funeral. I'll be on a jar. No, I just want to be cremated when I die.
For me, I think I would rather... I was thinking of the same thing, pero para may iba. I would rather have no one show up in my wedding because it's just gonna be a union between me and my partner. Say for example, yeah. So, I mean, yung papel na pipirmahan nyo, the world will already know that or it's valid. So, okay lang. Para wala akong masyadong pakainin. Tsaka, wala masyadong gastos. Pictures na lang.
Yeah, kayo lang ang partner mo, right? Other people does that. You don't have to feed anyone. But it depends on your preference.
Done! Alright guys, there you have it. So, that's our would you rather questions with eating sushi or any food. So, originally dapat MSR or rather mukbang to kasi kumakain kami. So, sabihin na natin yung mukbang plus would you rather questions or in interview. Pero yan, matakas pa nakaside na.
Pag nakaside, mataas yung dito.
So, pag nakaharap ganyan, wala. Hindi halata.
Hindi halata.
My gosh! Kaya lagi lang pa ako nakasabay na dito.
Oo nga, ganun din ako.
Anyway, thank you guys for watching. And again, don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Until our next video. Bye!